Hello dear students, I welcome you all to this offline English class. I want to quit the ICS. In this session, we are going to complete it. The lesson, I want to quit the ICS, is a letter written by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, seeking his advice about what he should do after quitting Indian Civil Service, that is ICS. Please open your textbook, students. Paragraph 7. Please follow as I read. I am now, in a sense, a government servant because I am now ICS probationer. I did not dare to write to you directly lest my letter should be censored. I am sending this letter through a trusted friend of mine. He will deliver the letter personally to you. Whenever I write to you, I shall be doing so in this way. You may of course write to me because there is no danger of letters being censored here. Now please look at meanings of new words. Probationer is an officer who is still receiving training. Lest, to avoid the risk of. Censored, examine. Trusted, one in whose honesty and ability you have full faith. As Subhash Chandra Bose is still ICS probationer, he cannot write letter directly to Chittaranjan Das. So, he sent his letter through his trusted friend. Students, I have already told you the meaning of the word probationer. Subhash Chandra Bose is an ICS officer who is still receiving training. As India was then under British control, he feared censorship by the British administration. So, he sent his letter through his trusted friend. Now please look at paragraph 8. I have a few ideas in my mind regarding the movement. I think there must be a permanent meeting place. We must have a house for this purpose. There will be a group of research students who will be carrying on research on various national problems. My personal view is that we have to maintain a permanent staff. They will do research on individual problems. Booklets will be published in every provincial language by the propaganda department and will be distributed free among the general public. Apart from that, a book will be published by the propaganda department on each and every question in our national life. In such a book, the policy of the organization will be explained and the grounds on which such a policy has been formulated will also be given. Here, propaganda is an action to influence public opinion on some matter by spreading beliefs, ideas, etc. Did you understand, students? Here Subhash Chandra Bose writes that he had formed a few ideas regarding the national movement. He believes that there must be a permanent meeting place, a house for the purpose. There will be a group of research students and they have to research on various national problems. The propaganda department will publish these booklets in every provincial language among the public for free. And it contains each and every question in our national life. So, these are the ideas of Subhash Chandra Bose regarding Indian national movement. Now please look at last paragraph. I have written so much. These questions are not new to you. I feel that tremendous work lies ahead of us in connection with the movement. If you wish, so I shall probably be able to make some contribution in this respect. I am, yours respectfully, Subhash Chandra Bose. Here, tremendous means very great in amount, scale or intensity. Subhash Chandra Bose concludes his letter by writing that such questions are not new to Mr. Chittaranjan Das. He finally says that he feels that there was tremendous work to do in the future through the movement. His wish was to be able to contribute to the movement in every respect. Students, did you notice abridged here? Abridged means having been shortened. The actual letter written by Subhash Chandra Bose to Chittaranjan Das has been shortened in this lesson. So students, in this session we have completed the prose I Want to Quit the ICS. I hope you all have understood. Let me ask you a few questions to know how much you have understood. Your first question is, what is the meaning of the word probationer? Yes, probationer is an officer who is still receiving the training. Your second question is, who would publish the booklets in the prose? Yes, propaganda department would publish the booklets in the prose. Your third question is, whom did Subhash Chandra Bose send his letter with? Subhash Chandra Bose sent his letter through a trusted friend of him. I hope everyone answered correctly. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Your home assignment is you have to read the prose twice with right pronunciation to improve your reading skill. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.